Good morning. Well, let's see, what time is it? It's 2:13. I'm gonna get ready because I've got to clean the bathroom and I just feel like poo, and I'm gonna do a cooking video here in a little while and all that good stuff that goes with it. And I'm just gonna kind of get ready. Think I need it, don't y'all? So anyway, how is everybody doing? Me, I'm holding. Still having to deal with stuff from the Brent and Johnny. Woo-wee, it's been a while since I've done my face. No, I just did it yesterday. It's summertime here. My birthday is in 11 days. No. $19 days? See, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 15 days. And I'm not looking forward to it. No, I'm not. Because I will just be another year older to the big 6-0. Yeah. And I'm not looking forward to it. Okay, we're going to fix the hair first before I do anything else, because I'm gonna let this sit in, soak it, my bee venom soak in. The thing I've been doing, where I've been putting it on the bottom and then I put it on my, I can't do it on my eyelids. It breaks them out. I mean, it doesn't break them out, it makes them flaky. So we're gonna use I like these products. We're gonna use this to spike. Make me look human. So, is it hot in your end of the world? It messed up. I don't know why. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna get the new stuff out. Pretty crap. I gotta do my closet too, because I gotta figure out something, because it's about driving me nuts.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth, so here we go again. Here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks and I don't like your heart. Rolex on your credit card. But still you won't quit. Trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. Looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, ain't got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? Looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, ain't got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
I just want my food chest done. Oh, I'm gonna get some other stuff done.
You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
Stuff done, fix stuff, and move, and clean.
You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
I know, I need a new one, but that's not in the cards right now. So we're gonna do with what we got.
Would you like to go with others? Would you like to go with me? Would you like to go with others? Would you like to go with me? Would you like to go with others? Would you like to go with me? Would you like to go with others? Would you like
We're all in the bathroom.
with me?
I got stuff I gotta get done. I'm not gonna sweep and mop in front of y'all. I had a hard enough time getting this before y'all can see me clean it. That clean. Now, I'm gonna be working on this. So y'all kind of know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this out. I'm gonna get all of my old shirts that I don't wear, like my ones for my channels. My channel. I'm going to take those out because I don't have enough room. Molly, this is what I do. This is what I deal with. Nosy kittens. Yeah, she'll be in my business before long. But anyway, I'm not going to show y'all with me taking everything out. I also have to do my other one because I've got comforters. I've got to declutter. I am decluttering this weekend. That's what I'm working on. Plus, I'm going to actually get a couple of recipes for y'all. So, tonight we're making homemade macaroni and cheese. So anyway, I'm going to put y'all down. I'm going to go get my other tripod. This is what I deal with also. Charles Henry sitting on my clean clothes. And I have Percy Ray. I have Hoss Cat. Nope, we haven't done anything to the bedroom yet. I got those walls, these walls, that wall over there done. This wall, that's not been done. You can see the different colors, and we got to patch that where the stuff has come off. So anyway, let me go find my tripod. I'll be right back. I'm going to show y'all. I lost footage, and I'm sorry. But I cleaned, decluttered, made up my bed. I normally get in my bed and then go back. I mean, don't make it because I get back in my bed. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope this gave y'all some inspiration. I'm going to tackle the closet another time. because it got cold and I had to open up the stuff that I put up, my winter stuff. And so I kept some of the pants, the lighter pants out for when it turns into fall and it's too warm for the winter stuff, the sweats, versus the just lightweight pants. So anyway, hopefully I'll get some linoleum or carpet in here soon. I don't know which. Some tile, something. Anyway, so we'll talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. See you, bye.